So here we had an assignment configured earlier, the research paper, and now we need to grade it. To grade it, you click on it, and then scroll down and click on View All Submissions. Here you'll see a listing of the students. Now notice here we have the assignment that the student uploaded on the right-hand side, the student name on the left, and the option for grading. Here we click on Grade, and then on the left-hand side, the system will give us a preview of the assignment that they uploaded. Now, in my case, I didn't make too many changes to it since I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. You can grade this a couple ways. You can enter comments directly on the PDF on the left, and you enter those comments by using these tools on the top. So if I wanted to add here a comment, I draw the box. So you basically are drawing these boxes wherever something is missing. The other thing you can do is click on these additional tools and using the pen tool. So you can highlight areas and then utilize it in conjunction with the comment option on the top. So this would be inline grading. Now, if for some reason you don't want one of those comments, you can click on this icon on the top right of the little comment area box, and then click on Delete Comment. Note that once you create specific comments, you can also add those comments to a quick list. So you can reuse those comments for grading other student papers. Now, if I wanted to reuse the same comment, notice that as soon as I enter a comment box, I can reuse that same comment that I used earlier. So basically, it's a mechanism and it will save you time grading student papers by adding comments to your comment list. The other option to grade this assignment is to enter comments here on the right-hand side under the feedback comments. Notice that from here, there are additional tools as well. You can even record audio comments or video comments for up to 7 minutes. The other option is for you to download the Word version of the document, make comments using Microsoft Word or PDF editing tools, and then further down here under feedback files, you'd upload the graded paper as part of a feedback file. In my case, I don't really have it, so I'm going to upload, let's say, the study guide. It is important to provide substantive feedback because the students need to know what they did do well and what they didn't do well to give them an opportunity to improve. Then when you're ready, you can enter the grade directly from here. Notice on the top, there is also the scan-in process. We use copy leaks for originality and AI checking, and this is where the score will be posted once that assignment has been scanned. And then you move on to grade the next student assignment.